In this question, we have to find major product of the following reaction. If we see the structure A is made to react with HCl. It's a simple acid-base reaction. A structure would act as base and HCl here act as acid. If you see properly, there are two nitrogen in the structure A. The lone pair of nitrogen will act as basic site accepting the proton from HCl. The X nitrogen's lone pair are in conjugation with benzene, so aren't available for protonation. But the Y lone pair, the Y nitrogen's lone pair are free for protonation. So the protonation would occur at Y site and we will get this structure as major product. So our answer is B option.